Alright, so by popular request, I'm going to do a review on this platform over here. So most people have seen so many times on YouTube that people are doing videos on this, and most beginners don't even know how this platform works. So I'm going to reveal to you guys how actually this platform works. So first of all you need is to sign up for an account on this Litecoin lightpick.io platform. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. All you need is to click on that and it's going to land you on this dashboard like this. So what you need to do after creating an account is this is how the interface looks like. So first of all, most people think this is an investment platform. This is not an investment platform, and this is not a platform where you can save your money. This is not how it works. So you can come to this section where it says um this is how your account looks like, and if you go to this section again, all right, so if you go to the gaming session, sorry guys, so this is the games that you're gonna play on this platform. But before you can access these games, you have to deposit some money on this platform over here. So this is the UTC LTC wallet that has been given to you. So you can scan with your Binance and you're going to deposit money on this platform. So you can see you send LTC as like this address. As you would like this address, this amount will be credited into your account after one network confirmation. We have minimum deposit amount. We accept we have no minimum deposit amount, sorry, and we accept all credit deposit on your account. So they don't have minimum like some platforms that they are going to ask you the minimum deposit is $10 and all those stuffs. These people do not have minimum deposit. What you need to do is to deposit some money. After depositing, all you need is to come to this section. But before I'll go to the where you can make money online, you can come to this section. Most people are very curious about how to withdraw their money, so they withdraw through Litecoins over here. So you have to place your LTC wallet over here, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.0001 LTC. So let me go and search for this. I think it's less than $10. So let me go and search for that 0.001 LTC on Google. So if I click on that and search for that on Google, guys, this is how 0.0001 LTC is equals to 0.13 Ghana cedis. So it's not even up to 2 Ghana cedis over here. So 0.13, so it's not even up to 50 pesos over here. So it's very easy for you to withdraw your money through your the wallet that you're going to insert over here. So you put in your wallet address and hit on the amount of money that you want to withdraw from this platform over here, and simple as that. You have to complete this captcha over here, and simple as that, you hit on withdraw and it's going to withdraw that money. But before you can withdraw the money, you just have to work on this platform. So how are you going to work? So you come to this section where it says games, and with the deposit money, you can see over here with this money, you can come to this section over here where it says dice. You click on that, the one of the games that you want to play, and what you need to know is that they have minimum rollover. So this is how, if you try to if I bet with this, I'm going to make the same amount of money, so I can double it like this, and they are going to give me that. So if I click on that, so this is how. So if I click on roll, they are also going to roll over here, and with that they have deducted, if I lose, they are going to deduct that money from my wallet. If I click on that again and I win, they are going to add that into my wallet over here. So you can see I've been deducted with 0.000002 LTC over here. So this is how it works. So let me go to another one. So the simplest game that you need to play when you visit this website is, I think, this over here. So this sorry guys, this is not what I was talking about. This um game fortune, wheel of fortune over here. So you can bet with the amount of money that you want to get, and then click on spin. So if I click on spin and you hit on 0, that means they're going to deduct that. So if I hit on that again, I'm going to be multiplied with that. So if I go to this section over here, you can see times 1 is the same one, so that means I'm not going to win anything. But if I hit on that and then get times 2, they're going to give me 1. So you can see times 1 is also 0, so they are not going to make me any money. If I've hit times 1 3 times, so I'm going to spin again, and this time around they've deducted 0.002 from it. I'm going to hit, and you can see 0.00. I've win 2 times, and you can see it has been added to my wallet right over here. This is how the games of this platform looks like. So you don't have to worry yourself about this platform. This is how everything works. And you can go to the contest section over here. This amount of money people are withdrawing from this platform over here. And if I go to this survey section, they have surveys for some countries. If you are living in the top tier countries, you can participate in the surveys over here by clicking on any of these surveys that you want to play. These surveys are very popular. Time War and all these surveys are very popular, so you can also play these surveys and make money online. So if I go to the settings tab over here, this is where you can correct any thing that you want to do on this platform. So you can, they have 2FA over here, and they have the privacy over here, so you can change all these things right over here. But the most interesting part is the affiliate section. So with this affiliate section, you can just type in the amount of money that you want to make over here. So commission share, like if you refer somebody, how much commission after making the money, how do you want the money to be shared? So you can decide that they should give 5% of the commission to the person who signed up with your link. This is the reason why I'm going to leave that link in my description box. All you need is to click on that. I'm going to leave this link over here in my description and then pin comment section. All you need is to click on the link, and you can join this platform as completely free. You don't have to pay for anything, and if you have time, you can make as money as that you want. And after making that money, you come to this withdrawal button over here, and they withdraw your money as easy as that. They use BTC, so you can create your Binance, and they have LTC. In that, you place your LTC wallet, you place the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and then right after doing that, this is the available money in my wallet right now, and the minimum the transaction fee that they are going to deduct from your wallet right over here. So after doing that, you just have to come to this session. So the minimum withdrawal for this platform is this over here. So the minimum withdrawal is which is 6 Ghana cedis, which is not even up to $1 over here. This is how the network works. So those of you who have been requesting for me to do a review on this platform, this is how it works. You don't have to worry yourself. This is not an investment platform, and this is not a crypto exchange platform. This is a platform where it's a little bit complicated. You just have to play games and then make money with this platform, as easy as that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you've watched right now, YouTube will send notifications. You guys, see you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out.